Dad, you were wrong. It's like, it's not going to stop just yet. Dad, I was right. It just got a little harder. And then now it's going softy. It's going soft again, but I don't want to just...
Hold that. What are you doing? Why are you shaking around?
Trying to get it off without... Well, I said it was, you can see your nose, but your brain ignores it. Which is basically true, right? Because you don't really, like, if I look all the way to as I might,
The rain's starting up again, Claire.
I see my nose.
The rain's starting up.
I see. Oh.
Coming down now, Claire.
Oh. Oh.
You gonna go out there? You gonna go out in the rain?
Fun.
Go out in it. Go out in it, Claire.
This is not rain. This is not rain.
Is it hail?
Yeah. You hear that? It's tiny piece of hail.
Is it hail?
Look, it's hail. Look at the ground. Hail, hail. It's hail. That's why it's bubbling. That's why the pool's bubbling. Every time water goes on the surface, pieces of ice.
Dad, it's Hawaii.
That's why.
It's
Look
sunny
how
and
look
it's
at
raining.
these. Look at these pieces. This is proof. All these pieces are proof. Dad, look at these. Ice.
Stopping.
Look at how much ice is between them. Look at this. More proof that hailed. And it keeps melting. Right, my proof keeps melting.
Is that hail? Whoa, too close.
But look.
Yeah, a piece of ice.
Oh, that hurts.